In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite friends on GCash. Let's dive right in and make sure you get the most out of this feature. First, open the GCash app on your mobile device. This is your gateway to a wide set of financial tools and services. Once you have the app open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, log into your account using your credentials. Enter your mobile number and follow any additional security prompts. This step is crucial because it ensures that you are accessing your personal GCash account safely. Once logged in, look towards the bottom of your screen. You will see several icons. Tap on the icon labeled Profile. This section contains all the personal settings and features related to your GCash account. From the Profile menu, select the option that says Invite Friends or sometimes Refer Friends. This is where GCash allows you to share its benefits with others. It's important because inviting friends can often lead to rewards or bonuses for both you and your invitees. Next up, tap on Share Invite Link. This action will generate a unique link that you can share with your friends. Sharing this link is simple and can be done through various platforms like email, messaging apps, or social media. Sending this link is essential as it ensures that your friends can join GCash using your referral. Now, it's important to note a few things. GCash may have temporarily removed or disabled this feature for some users. Additionally, this feature might only be available during specific promotional periods. So, if you don't see the Invite Friends option, don't worry. You're not alone in this situation. Many users are experiencing the same issue. With that in mind, if you cannot find the option, the best course of action is to contact GCash support. Begin by opening the GCash app again. This time, navigate to the Help Center section. Here you have the option to chat with Gigi, the GCash virtual assistant, or submit a ticket. Clearly ask if the referral feature is available on your account. This step is critical as it helps you understand any limitations or updates regarding the feature. Remember, contacting support not only addresses your immediate question, but also helps you stay informed about any changes within the app. Being proactive in this way ensures you maximize your GCash experience. As we wrap up, just a quick reminder to check for any updates on the feature periodically. GCash is known for rolling out new features and promotions, so staying updated can be quite beneficial. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily invite friends to join GCash and potentially enjoy some rewards. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to explore more of what GCash has to offer. And until next time, take care and happy inviting.